This Tuesday afternoon, we have been tracking some showers and storms. Dry in the city right now, but inland, you can see the gray sky. That's where we have been tracking most of the thunderstorm activity this afternoon. That vantage point looking up the Savannah River toward what's in for Bullitt County. You can see a lot of lightning associated with these cells that have been developing. We do have a severe storm over Hampton County right now. This is slowly making its way toward Jasper County. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning in place until 6:45. The leading edge of this is capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 50 to 60 miles per hour, and even some small hail may be mixed in with this cell. But of course, frequent lightning and heavy rain is a concern from these cells that have been developing. Further to the south over Bullitt County, Brooklet, we do have a cell producing a lot of lightning. All of this activity is generally moving from west to east now, losing some intensity further to the south, but still some heavier rain setting up over places like Baxley and into Appling County as that activity is pushing slowly toward the coast. Our coastal areas, though, are dry at the moment, but that might change over the next couple of hours with those storms moving in from the west. Where the rain has been falling, it has been able to cool off quite a bit, but still pretty hot. Where it has been dry, 92 degrees right now for Hinesville, but just down the road in Jessup, 97 is your current temperature. When you factor in the humidity, it's feeling as hot as 106 degrees. 100 is how it feels in Richmond Hill, so make sure you still stay cool and hydrated, drinking plenty of water, and also watch out for those thunderstorms over the next few hours. That risk will be with us again tomorrow, starting off the early morning hours mainly dry, but through the morning rain chances will start to increase. Temperatures will get hot once again, so with scattered showers and storms expected after lunchtime and into the early evening hours, we do have the risk for a few of those storms possibly becoming strong and severe, and the conditions over the next few days will remain unsettled and hot, and very humid conditions will be staying with us as well. So as far as Wednesday, there is an overall low-end risk for a few isolated strong and severe storms. The overall storm chance is a little bit higher, but most storms will stay below severe limits. Damaging wind will be our main concern, and storm timing will be likely between lunchtime and through the mid-evening hours, with those storms developing inland and pushing toward the coast. Our Vipercast model indicates that tomorrow most of us will start off mainly dry. It's our inland areas that will begin to see those showers and storms developing first. Some of the rain will be heavy around lunchtime, especially for places into Bullitt County down to the south, possibly Wayne and Appling County dealing with some of that heavier rain that will develop more toward the coast. Breezy and gusty winds are likely. This particular model does dry us out a little bit earlier than some of the other guidance. I think some of the rain will linger into the earlier evening hours. Really, it's going to be once we lose the daytime heating, with those temperatures reaching the 90s for highs, when we will begin to see conditions settle down heading into early Thursday morning. But then more storms are expected for Thursday afternoon. For tonight, 76 degrees for the low temperature, warm and humid. And then for tomorrow, hot and humid with those scattered showers and storms developing. And again, some of those will have the potential to be strong and severe. If you are heading out in the boat, certainly keep an eye to the sky with a south wind around 10 knots, giving us seas right at 2 feet. So as far as those rain chances, staying elevated for the next few days, backing off for the weekend, so it will get a little hotter. 95 degrees, the forecast high for Saturday and Sunday, drawing out a little bit more then as we head into the early to the middle part of next week.
All right, Scott, thank you. Well, coming up in sports, a Tormenta